Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a fingerprint to Samsung S25. Fingerprint unlock is a very convenient way of unlocking your phone, and also it is pretty secure. So let's add that. Just go to the settings, then go to privacy and security, or security and privacy actually. Then screen lock and biometrics. Enter your current screen lock if you have one. If you don't have it, you need to set it in order to be able to add a fingerprint. So you can set it to something of this. Remember that if you forget it, then there will be no way to restore it other than erase your phone fully, so it's better to remember it. And now go to fingerprints, click on continue, register, and place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. This is an ultrasonic sensor, so it may not work with some screen protectors, but it's still worth trying. And also, every time you switch a screen protector to a new one, you should re-enroll the fingerprint to make sure it works as properly as it should. Just tap and lift several times. Remember to move your finger between each scan so it scans the whole area of your fingerprint. And also, as I've mentioned, it's the ultrasonic sensor, so it's even more secure than most of the other sensors on phones. Let's click on done. You can also add another fingerprint. And now, as I lock the phone, I can just tap in the correct spot and it'll get unlocked. After some time, you'll probably get used to where the fingerprint lock is, so you won't need to look. But of course, you can also just double tap on the screen or click on the power button. You'll see where the fingerprint icon is to actually tap your finger in there. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.